Recently, in Russia, there has been a visible tendency toward the sustainable increase of passenger traffic of all types of public transportation, apart from water-based transport. The most popular type of transport among passengers is bus transport, whose share amounts to over half of all trips taken. A significant proportion of passenger traffic is forced to use air and rail transport due to long traveling distances, and here, bus transport takes only third place. Air transport's share of passenger traffic in the country amounts to only 14%. In 2012, more than 21 billion people were transported in Russia by public transport. That being said, the passenger traffic mileage equaled almost 532 billion passenger kilometers. Over the period from January to August 2013, the passenger traffic mileage of public transportation was more than 324 billion passenger kilometers.